guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall write a Python program to print all the strings from a given list of strings with length as multiple of 4. That is, we are printing the strings which have its length multiple of 4. Okay, so without any delay, let us get into our PyCharm and start writing the program. Okay, I'm on my PyCharm now. Firstly, let us create a list containing all the strings. Okay, list underscore, sorry, I have been using the cap lock here. List underscore str is equals to, I'm creating a list. Remember that we use square braces to create the list, and within the list we use quotation marks to create the strings. Okay, and let the strings be John, and let us say some PyCharm, and tool, I'm just randomly using some words, okay, don't mind. Code, sorry, I haven't used any quotations here. Yeah, let the final one be window. Okay, we are done with creating a list of strings. Now we have to traverse over all the strings within our list. Okay, for string in list underscore str, and we have to check if the length is multiple of 4 or not. If length of str modulus 4 is equals to 0, then we have to print such string, right? Yeah, we are done with our program. We have traversed over our list and we have checked if the length is multiple of 4 or not by using the modulus operator. If you don't know about operators, please check out the video on operators, which I will link in the description box given below. Okay, now I'll run the program. Yeah, we got 3 strings, John, tool and code. It has 4 letters in that, right? So 4 is always multiple of 4. Now let us check if any other multiple of 4 will work or not. Okay, let me create some string 1, 2. Yeah, I'll rerun the program. Yeah, this time we got this word 2, right? So in this way you can check if the string is multiple of 4 or not. Okay, this is a program, this is just a sample program for practice. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, for more Python programs and Python videos, Python tutorial videos, subscribe my channel. And also I'm starting a new series on HTML. For that, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, reach me out in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.